celebrating 25th, which is the Africa Day. But us, as an organization, as a center, we try to contribute in terms of food expos, literature festivals, so that we try to contribute to this whole culture month thing. Culture month today in Zimbabwe, we are celebrating under the theme which says celebrating Indigenous voices. As an organization, we are saying we are celebrating those voices through African cuisines. So this festival is a traditional food and beverages expo. We are trying to give precedence to traditional dishes, traditional foods, so that people come together to appreciate various traditional dishes. But above all, we are trying to have some dialogues and discussions between the community from Matopo and food outlets from Bulawayo. We have Ingwebu today, we have nutritionists from Rwanda, we have national foods, so that they have that kind of conversations with the community, how to traditionalize modern dishes, how to modernize traditional dishes. So that's the nexus that we're trying to create between these two different worlds. But at the end of the day, we are saying our food, our heritage, our future. We have the future in our food, and we get to understand quite a lot of heritage and understand quite a lot of taboos and values of the community through our African dishes. So this is what we are doing today. Yesterday we were having a conference. Today is a family fun day. People get to understand, get to taste different dishes, get to taste different beverages. It's more of a way of trying to contribute to the bigger day, which is tomorrow, Africa Day. Thank you.